Good day, my viewers. Welcome to Femi Agbabola online mathematics class. At this platform, we'll be treating about mathematics because we know that mathematics is a core subject and it is very important in every field of studies. Many people are running away from mathematics, especially students, because they believe that it is very difficult and very hard to understand. But one thing I want us to know is that mathematics is a subject that is based on principles, rules, and formulas. In as much you are able to understand these rules, principles, and formulas, it will be very easy for every student to be able to understand it. But on this platform, we'll be teaching ourselves mathematics and make it simpler for students at all levels, even from the primary, secondary, even to the higher institution, who lay their hands on this video or come across this video will enable them to be able to understand what mathematics is all about, and as to also prepare them or give them an eye-opener to understand what mathematics is. This is a platform that will make mathematics very easy for you. That is why I will encourage you that as you're coming across this video, you share, like, and comment on this video, and also follow my page on YouTube at Abegunde Femi 9738, and then on Facebook Femi Agbabola, so that as you follow this page and continue to study mathematics, we are ready to make it simpler for you in the way we teach, in the way we understand, in the way we teach you for your best understanding, and we also entertain questions. So I want you to know that if you put your mind to it, definitely it is very simple. In fact, mathematics is a very simple subject, but if you don't know the principles and the formulas that guide it, it may sound difficult. But we are here on this platform to make it easy for you. So make it a day to join this platform on Facebook and on my YouTube channel. The topic we'll be considering at this moment is what I titled number system. Number system. When we are talking of number system, it is one of the topics that even though it appears simpler, but somehow if the principles that guide it is not well understood, it may appear so difficult. And when we are talking of number system, it is a system of counting in which at a particular known unit makes a bundle. That is to say, when we have made some units and the several units come together to make a bundle, and under number system we have several bases such as base 10, which is called decimal, base 2, which is called binary, base 8, which is called octal, and base 16, which is hexadecimal, and several others. So for the sake of this, we'll be dealing with binary numbers or binary system. And when we're talking of binary system, it can also be referred to as base 2. It is a system of counting where 2 make a bundle, that is 0 or 1 are in base 2. It is very useful in a modern information technology, which is also known as the computer digits. That is to say, this 0 and 1 is the language that the computer understands. So under this, we'll be talking about several topics. We will be dealing with topics such as number 1, converting a fraction a fraction from base 10 to, so like I was saying, we'll be doing examples like converting a fraction from base 10 to other bases, conversion of one base to another, conversion of decimal in base to base 10. Also, we have a addition and subtraction of number bases and determining an unknown basis. But for the sake of this topic, or for this video today, we will be dealing with the example under the topic, under the subtopic, converting fraction from base 10 to base 2. And the example we'll be dealing with is 9 odd number 7 over 8. 9 odd number 7 over 8. So for the sake of the example today, like I was saying, we'll be considering the example 9 odd number 7 over 8. It can also be written as 9.7 over 8. But one thing that we have to understand here is that this example is very simple. To solve this, the first thing we need to do is to convert 9 to base 10. Then we change 7 over 8 to decimal number, after which we convert the decimal number to base 2 and then bring both answers together. So let's follow this example as we analyze it. Like I said, we'll convert 9 to base 10 in these following ways. 9, then multiply by base 2. So 2 in 9 give us 4, remain 1, 2. That's 2 remain 0, 2, 1 remain 0, 2 in 1, 0 remain 1. So from bottom to top we have 1, 0, 0, 1, base 2. That's the first step. Then the second step, like I said, we turn 7 over 8 from fraction to decimal number, and from our calculator we have 0.875. So this 0.875 from decimal number, so we change it to base 2 by multiplying it by 2, which is 0.875 times 2 equals to 1.75. Then this one here, we write it out, that is remain 1. Then since we have written 1 out, this one now becomes 0. It now becomes 0.750 times 2 equals to, from our calculator again, we have 1.50. This one, we write it out to become remain 1. Then since we have written this one out, this one changed to 0, so it becomes 0.500 times 2. That is what? 1.00. Then because of this one, we write remain 1. So this one goes from top to bottom. We now have 1, 1, 1, 2. So we bring the answer together, that is this first one and this second one. We bring it together. It now gives us 1001.111 base 2. So that is how to convert fraction to base 2. And we have to know that this fraction is in base 10. This fraction is in base 10, so we convert it to base 2. That is what we have done in our example. Don't forget to follow me on my page, in my YouTube channel, Abegunde at Abegunde Femi 9378, and on my Facebook channel, that's Facebook page, Femi Agbabola. God bless you. If you have any question to ask, leave it on the comment section, as every question that you ask shall be answered. God bless you.